Hey friends, so this is my account dashboard, and if I click here I'm gonna get $20. If I'm gonna click here I'm gonna receive $16, 21 cents, $12, 28 cents, and here $6. And the good thing about this platform, sometimes you can get completely free money and you can just work only 2 hours a day and you can make up to $700 on the platform. Welcome to the channel. So I saw this video on YouTube saying that get paid $1 per one click on this secret website, and I was very interested after seeing this video, and I said to myself that okay, I'm gonna try this out and I'm gonna show you how we're really gonna make money just by clicking on this secret website. So in this video we're just going to try together, me and you. We're just going to see how much we're going to make on this secret website, because they say that you can make up to $700 every single month on the platform, and you're just going to work only 2 hours just on the platform. And I'm really going to be honest with you. I'll show you all the details and I'll show you my payment proof, how much I'm going to make on this platform. So let's dive in and see how this website works. Alright, so this is our very first step. Let's go to this website, which is called enart.com, and as you can see, this is how this website looks like. And I don't have an account right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sign up by writing my email, and I'm just gonna write here my password, my username, and I'm gonna agree that I'm not a robot, and then we're just going to click here sign up. So right here you can choose device that you're using right now, and I'm just using my Android and my laptop. So this is my account with $0, as you can see right here. This account has completely $0. I have no money at all on this platform, but this platform is promising us to give free money. So in order for us to get free money from this platform, we need to spin the wheel, and for us to spin the wheel you have to, as you can see right now, I'm just gonna spin the wheel, but before spin the wheel you need to put this promo code which this website gives us, and as you can see right under the box there are these words. So I'm just gonna write these words on this box, and right now we have to spin the wheel. Just after writing these codes, right now I'm just gonna spin the wheel and I'm gonna see how much we're just going to get for free. So this is how I spin the wheel. Alright, so I got completely free money, and I will show you in the middle of this video on how much I made just by spinning the wheel on this platform. This is a very interesting. So there are a lot of offers that this website is offering, but right now I'm just going to try another offers to see how much we're just going to make just by doing these offers on the platform. Alright, so apart from this free money that we made from this website, there are a lot of tasks that you can do or you can perform on this platform, and you can get paid up to $700. So let's see these offers, let's see this task on how much we can do just by completing this very simple task on the platform. So this is what you have to do right now. You have to go ahead and click this place which is written as offer, and as you can see right now you can get $20 up to $45 just by playing games on this platform. Also, there are surveys that you can take and get paid a few cents just by completing very simple surveys on this platform. So because we really want to make a reasonable amount of money, we really want to make a decent amount of money, we have to choose these offers with high amount of money. And right now I'm just going to click this game which offers us more than $45 just by playing game on this platform. So right now let's go forward and choose this game. Just by playing this game we can get $43. So I'm just going to go ahead and click start offer to earn money, and this game wants us to scan our QR code from our mobile phone. So right now I'm getting a little bit suspicious about this platform because it needs us to scan our QR codes on this platform that we don't even know this platform well. So I'm just gonna skip this, but since this website has already given us free money, let's go forward and see why this website is paying us. Alright, so let's go down here, and this website says that there are a lot of great brands. They ask this platform to find people to complete their surveys or to test their products, like playing games or completing very simple surveys, in order to improve their product and understand their customers. So this is the reason that this website is paying everyone who is going to perform just simple tasks like that, playing games and completing very simple surveys on the platform. But I'm not really sure about this website, and I'm just gonna go ahead and see all these reviews, how people are talking about this website, because it's very important before joining or scan any QR codes. You need to know about how people are talking about this website. Is this website legit? Right now I'm just going to show you how much I got for free just by spinning the wheel on the platform, and I didn't make like decent amount of money. I just made only 5 cents just by spinning the wheel, but they promised us to make more than 250 just by spinning the wheel. Instead, I made only 5 cents. So I'm just going to go ahead and Google, and let's see how people are talking about this website. And as you can see right here, this person said that this website is a total waste of time. Not a lot of people are agreeing on this website, but I've seen different videos on YouTube. People, they say that you really go on this website and you make more than $700. Just imagine you see video like this on YouTube. They want you to believe that you can really make like decent amount of money on this website, but when you go ahead and try out this website, you really cannot make any amount of money. And I just made only 5 cents just by joining on this platform. And I didn't want to tell you one thing: if you really want to make money online, you need to have different mindset, because it's really going to be tough. It's not easy like how people are saying that you get money just by clicking names, just by writing names and all this stuff. It's going to take few months, it's going to take few years for you to start making money online. So you really have to be careful on who you are choosing to watch on this platform, because there are a lot of people who need you to watch the video, and they get a lot of money just by you watching their videos. So you really have to be careful on that, and I really hope that this video is really going to help you in one way or another. Thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is David. I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.